National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Scott County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oneida, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Scott County, including the following locations: Ketchen and Winfield. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.